Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google Play app and tapping your profile icon. This locates your account controls quickly. Once done, choose Payments and Subscriptions to reveal subscriptions tied to your account. This is where Google centralizes auto-renewal settings. You're doing this first because removing auto-renewal requires identifying the exact subscription entry. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, since subscriptions are account-specific and can be missed if you switch. You'll now tap Subscriptions to see all active plans. This list shows renewal dates and billing info, so you know which one to stop. Next, select the target subscription and tap Cancel Subscription. Google asks why to gather feedback, but the key is confirming cancellation to stop future charges. Once you confirm, Google usually turns off auto-renewal immediately while letting you use the remainder of the paid period. Keep an eye on the end date to verify changes. Finally, confirm cancellation via the Play app status and the confirmation email. This proves auto-renewal is off and documents the action. If the subscription still shows active, sign out and sign back in or clear Play Store cache to refresh account data, because sync glitches can hide updates. If charges continue after the paid period, contact Google Play support with your order ID. They can investigate and refund erroneous renewals, so have that order number ready.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.